more than 100 years, people has relied heavily on fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas to power our lives. These sources has given us the energy to light up our cities, drive our vehicles, and run our factories. But there's a dark side to this dependency. Burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Over time, these gases has accumulated, creating a thick blanket around Earth and traps heat. This phenomenon, known as the greenhouse effect, is the primary driver of global warming and the resulting climate change we are experiencing today. In 2021, fossil fuels remain the most common fuel type of electricity generation in the United States. The main fuel type was natural gas, which accounts for approximately 38.4% of the total energy production in the United States. Coal was the second most common fuel type, accounting for 21.9% of electricity generation. In other words, the more electricity we use, the more global warming will accelerate.
The relationship between carbon dioxide emission and electric devices is significant. As our use of electric increases, so does energy consumption, leading to higher CO2 emission from fossil fuels. To address this, we can improve energy efficiency in devices, promote renewable energy sources, and implement a recycle program for electric waste. By prioritizing these solutions, we can create a future where technology and environmental responsibility coexist harmoniously. So we're gonna offer 3 categories of suggestions. First of all, regarding air conditioners, we believe we can focus on screening them, turning them off in rooms that are not in use, and maintaining energy-efficient temperatures. Second of all, the building solar power systems. And last one is the building clean charge systems. First, air conditioners. Researchers found that cleaning air conditioner filter and tidying the outdoor unit can have power consumption and reduce CO2 emissions by 25.2 kg. Air conditioners account for 7% of electricity used in the United States, costing household owners $30 billion annually and releasing 180 million tons of CO2. In EF dormitory, air conditioner is often left on, increasing emissions. Raising the temperature by 1 degree can reduce CO2 emission by about 8 kg. For summer cooling, changing the temperature from 27 degrees to 28 degrees can save 13% on energy and lower annual emission by 7.8 kg. In winter, lowering the temperature by 1 degree can reduce power consumption by about 10% and cut annual CO2 emission by 16.8 kg.
EF is a global leader in education sector, and EF supports the UN Sustainable Development Goals. As the international students, we have 2 proposals to EF New York campus. First, build a solar power station on the roof of Rita Hall. Second, build 2 EV charging stations in the parking lot which sourced by solar power station. New York State is making solar energy more accessible to homes, businesses, and communities through NY Sun incentives and a network of qualified installers.
We need to tackle this issue to protect our Earth. Don't shy away from programs and let's clear off them together.